You haven't lost people's respect. You gave it away. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to take it back. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and today we are going somewhere uncomfortable because I want to talk about something that every single one of us has dealt with but most of us never actually address. So we are talking about wanting respect. People want respect or we want people to take us seriously. We want to walk into a room and feel like we matter. But here is what nobody tells you. Respect is not something people give you. It's something you stop letting them take. So today I am going to break down exactly how to make people respect you. Not by being louder, not by being meaner, not by playing games, but by understanding the real reason people walk over you and fixing it from the inside out. So let's go. The real reason people don't respect you, and it's not what you think. I'm going to say something that might sting a little, so are you ready? People don't disrespect you because they are bad people. They disrespect you because you taught them it was okay. So every time you said yes when you want to or when you meant no, you taught them. Every time you laughed off someone that actually hurt you taught them. And every time you come back without an apology, stayed silence when you have spoken, made yourself smaller so they could feel bigger, you taught them exactly how to treat you. And I know that's hard to hear, but it's also the most powerful thing I'm going to say today because if you taught them that, you can unteach it. See, respect isn't built in one big dramatic moment. It's built in 100 tiny ones, and it starts with you. The first thing you can do is stop over explaining yourself. So here's the thing I had to unlearn, and honestly, it changed everything for me. I used to over explain a lot. Every decision I make, I had a photograph ready. I cannot come because of this and also this, and I know it might seem like I'm being difficult, but girl, stop. Please stop. So, when you over explain, you are subconsciously asking for permission. And people who are respected don't ask for permission, they make decisions. I can't make it. Full stop. That doesn't work for me. Full stop. I'm not comfortable with that. Full stop. That's it. The moment you stop just justifying your choices to people who never asked for your reasoning in the first place, everything shifts. Because confident is quiet. It doesn't need a defense. It just is. So practice this. It will feel rude at first, but it's not rude. It's just new. Your standards are your standards. Protect them like your life depends on it. So, by saying this, let me ask you something honestly. Do you have standards? Or, or do you have preference that you negotiate the second someone pushes back? See, because there's a difference. A preference is I like to be treated well. A standard is I will not stay in a situation where I am not treated well. One is wish and one is a boundary you actually enforce. Remember, people respect what you protect. They test what you tolerate. See, I am sharing this because I had to learn this the hard way. I kept telling myself that I had high standards, but every single time someone crossed them, I will find a reason to let it slide. They are going through a lot. I don't want to make a big deal out of it. Maybe I'm being too sensitive. And slowly, without realizing it, I had no standards at all. It just like I just had a list of things I wished it people would not do to me. And the moment I started holding the line, even when I was uncomfortable, even when it cost me, people was the moment people started treating me differently because they finally understood I mean it. Stop being so available. So this one hits different. So bear with me. Listen, we live in a world that tells you being available, being responsive, being there for everyone all the time makes you a good person. And maybe it does. But it also makes you someone people take for granted. When you are always there, always answering, always accommodating, always rearranging yourself to fit other people's timeline, you stop being a priority. You become a resource. Remember, scarcity creates values. Not because you are playing games, but because your time and energy are genuinely valuable, and it's time you started acting like it. And this doesn't mean to be cold. This doesn't mean become unavailable on purpose to seem mysterious. It means feel your life so fully with your own goals, your own peace, your own growth that you are naturally not always available because you are busy becoming someone. So that is, people respect people who have a life, who have direction, who aren't just waiting to be called. The thing about respect that nobody talks about is that you cannot demand respect from other people if you don't have it for yourself. You just can't. It leaks. It shows up in how you talk about yourself, how you react when someone dismisses you, whether you laugh nervously or when you should speak clearly, whether you apologize for existing in the room. See, self respect is not arrogance. It's just knowing your worth and not auditioning for people who should already know it. I spent so many years trying to prove myself to people who had already made up their mind. Trying to be impressive enough, agreeable enough, likable enough. And the truth is, those people weren't the problem. I was. Because I kept showing up to auditioning for a part I should have already cast myself in. So when you truly respect yourself, you stop chasing validation. You stop shrinking. You stop explaining. And people feel that. It's magnetic. It's quiet. And it is the most powerful thing in any room. So remember, making people respect you is not about being intimidating. It's not about being cold or closed off or playing games. It's about being so deeply rooted in who you are that there is no room for anyone to plant seeds of doubt. So stop overthinking, hold your standards, protect your time, respect yourself first. The people who are meant to be in your life will rise to meet you, and the ones who don't, let them go with love because they were never meant to stay. Remember, you are not here to be convenient for other people. You are here to build a life that is genuinely, and deeply yours. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, I am always in your corner and I will be always rooting for you. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.